Have you also been wondering what this is all about? Now, if you are one of those people, please do not scroll past this video. Let me take you through how the hair colorist guide works. Now, in this video, I'm going to be taking you through how the color wheel works and how to read the color wheel and also the level system. Now, I'm going to start with the color wheel. Now, you need to understand that there are three primary colors. These colors you cannot make by yourself. They exist already. You can only create every other color within these primary colors, which are red, yellow, and blue. Those are the three primary colors. Now, there are other colors which are the secondary colors. Now, how do you get secondary colors? Secondary colors are a mixture of two primary colors. Now, if you mix red and blue together, you are going to get purple. Now, if you mix blue and yellow together, you are going to get green. Now, if you mix yellow and red, you are going to get orange. Now, these are the secondary colors: purple, green, and orange. Mixture of two primary colors gives you the secondary color. Now, furthermore, there are other colors which are the tertiary colors. You can also call them intermediate colors. Now, how do you get these colors? A mixture of a primary color and a secondary color gives you a tertiary color. Now, how do I mean by that? If you mix the primary color blue and the secondary color purple, you are going to get blue purple. And also, if you mix the primary color blue and the secondary color green, you are going to get blue green. Now, also, if you mix the primary color yellow and the secondary color green, you are going to get yellow green. If you mix the primary color yellow and secondary color orange, you are going to get yellow orange. If you mix the primary color red and the secondary color orange, you are going to get orange red. Same thing applies here. If you mix the primary color red and secondary color purple, you are going to get red purple. So now we have three primary colors, which are red, blue, and yellow. And we also have three secondary colors, which is a mixture of two primary colors, which are purple, green, and orange. And we have six tertiary colors, which are also intermediate colors, which is a mixture of one primary color and another secondary color, which are blue purple, blue green, yellow green, orange yellow, orange red, and red purple. And you can also see that these colors, they live directly opposite each other on the color wheel. Please take note of that. You can see these colors that live directly opposite each other on the color wheel. They are complementary colors. Now, complementary colors neutralizes each other. That means they cancel out each other. What I mean by that is, if you have a yellow and you apply purple, purple is going to cancel out yellow. Now, the same thing means that green is going to cancel out red. The same thing means that orange is going to cancel out blue. So that's basically how the color wheel works. Now, down to level system. Now, on this chart, we can see natural hair color levels. What does this mean? It means the brightness or darkness in your natural hair color. When I say natural hair color, everyone has their natural hair color. You see some people, their hair is natural black, and some people jet black, and some people brown. So what this means is, what color are you seeing on the natural hair? Are you seeing black? Or are you seeing brown? Same thing applies to bundles and wigs. Some wigs comes in jet black, some bundles come in natural black, some comes in jet black. You can see some are like color 3 already. So this is what natural hair color level is telling you. What color can you visibly see on the hair you are working with? Now, on the other side, you go to exposed contributing pigments. What does this mean? This means after you go into bleach that hair, after you lift the hair, it's going to expose another color to you. Now, these colors are what you can see here. Now, I'm going to cite you an example. Now, let's imagine that my client is on a level 3. I'm trying to take my client to like level 7. Now, if I go into bleach such hair, when I get to level 7, it's going to expose another pigment entirely to me. Now, you can see that here, level 7 is dark. And you can see that the contributing pigment here is a bit lighter. Now, this is the color you are going to see when you lift such client from level 3 to level 7. It's going to expose this pigment to you. Now, what can you see on this pigment? You are going to see orange, yellow. Now, look at this. This is level 7. Now, this is the exposing pigment. You're going to see a orange, yellow, orange. Now, when you get to this level, when you bleach the hair, you've gotten the pigment you want. You can see that this hair that I bleached is an orange yellow. I can see that the exposed pigment is orange yellow. Now, there are two things you are going to ask yourself. Do I want to enhance this color, or do I want to neutralize this color? Now, if you choose to enhance the color, you can go in with enhancing products like enhancing shampoos, to enhance the color, to bring out this yellow orange you are seeing. It's going to pop it out more. That is what enhancing means. Now, if you're going to neutralize, which more of a neutralization is required, a lot of people prefer to neutralize. You don't want to see yellow. Nobody wants to see yellow blonde anymore. So if you want to neutralize such color, now you take yourself back to your color wheel. Remember, we said earlier that colors living opposite each other neutralizes each other. Now you're on level 7 and you can see yellow, orange. Now you go back to the board, you can see orange, yellow here. Now I want to neutralize orange, yellow. What color am I going to use to neutralize? You go directly opposite. You can see I'm going to neutralize with blue, purple. Remember, orange, blue, purple cancels out orange. And you want to neutralize. You're on level 7 and you can see yellow, orange. What this means is that when you bleach your hair, you can see the yellowish orange inside the strands. Those are the pigments I'm talking about. You want to cancel out that yellow. Now you come to this color wheel, you can see yellow, orange here, and you're going to cancel out with blue, purple. Now what you want to do is get a product with blue, purple base to cancel out the yellow in your blonde. So another example, let's assume my client is on the level 5, and I'm trying to move my client to a level 10. Now, after I go in and bleach that hair, it's going to expose this pigment to me. Now, this is the palest yellow, the brightest yellow. You can see on level 10, I have pale yellow. I have pale yellow. Now, you ask yourself, do I want to enhance this pale yellow I have, or do I want to neutralize? Now, in most cases, we neutralize. Nobody wants to see yellow in blonde. Now, what do? Now, you go to your color wheel. You can see this is the brightest shade of yellow you have on your color wheel. Now, what is going to neutralize this yellow for me? You go directly opposite. You can see purple. Purple is going to cancel out yellow. Now, you go in with your purple shampoo or any product or any color with purple base to cancel out such yellow. So that's basically how the hair colorist guide works. It just lets you understand the color wheel and also the level system. Now, these are the things we are going to be talking about in the hair coloring upgrade class. If you are yet to join the hair coloring class, which is just 25,000 naira, please make sure you do that before joining the upgrade class. You can send me a DM or go to my bio. My WhatsApp number is there. You can tap on that number. It's going to take you to my WhatsApp and drop me a message and I'm going to respond to you. Please let me know if this video was helpful. If you have any questions, go to the comment section. I'm available to answer any question. And also do not forget to like, follow and share this video to whoever might need it.